Good Monday morning, folks. 7 First Alert Meteorologist Keenan Smith. Temps are in the 60s outside this morning. Slight chance of a shower or sprinkle early on, but that rain chance is falling off. Some patchy light fog is also possible. Now, as we take a look outside, you can see a ribbon of wet weather here across the Great Lakes and down into the Mississippi Valley. That's our rain chance for today. You'll also notice tropical storm, in fact Hurricane Jose, off the coast of the U.S. Not an issue for us. It will mean rough surf up and down the eastern seaboard. So we have those spotty showers outside for the morning hours. As we move on throughout the morning drive, that all tapers off. You'll still see clouds around, though, for the first half of the day with gradual clearing. Now, our futurecast wants to keep a shower chance down by the Ohio border. That looks aggressive to me. We'll look for about a 20% chance of rainfall for the morning hours and dry us out for the second half of the day, only to bring rain back into Metro Detroit during the overnight hours. You can see some spotty showers there moving in very late. Look for a high today near 77, morning sprinkles, then gradually decrease in clouds. Tonight we're down to 61, increase in clouds, a 20% rain chance. Tomorrow, look for a high temperature that'll peak near 78 degrees, a 30% rain chance. 80 degrees are high on Wednesday. Thursday we're at 84, that's the warmest day of the bunch, and a beautiful stretch of weather Wednesday through the weekend. I'm 7 First Alert Meteorologist Keenan Smith.